Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a private or role exclusive channel on Discord. So first, what you want to do is go to server settings right here, go to roles, and first create a role for your channel. So let's say this is for like friends or stuff. It's up to you. And now you could edit the role color just like that and click on save changes. Once you're done with that, just click on escape right here. Now create the channel for your friend. Let's say private channel, just like so. And make sure that this one is turned on, the private channel option here. Once you're done with that, click on next and add the members that you want to add here, which is let's find the friends roles that we just created right here. Now you could go to edit channel permissions. So as you can see, everyone cannot view this channel since the view channel is turned off. So just make sure that view channel is turned off or disabled, just like this. And for friends, make sure that they can view this channel. And it's up to you if you want to like edit the permissions here. So let's say you want them to read message history, add reactions, something like that, send messages, and if you're good to go, if you just click on save changes. And of course, you cannot remove admins and server owners, basically. So after you're done with all that, just click on save changes and you're done. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.